I think I'm gonna do a space themed look today just because I'm wearing my NASA pants and I love space a lot. Hi, my name is Ash, and this is my makeup tutorial. First, I start out with some blue face paint, and I just draw a little star. And I'm using blue face paint because it's a lot easier for me to get sharper lines. And then I take a makeup wipe and I erase all the guidelines I used to draw the star. And then I take some blue eyeshadow and I start putting it on the outside of the star so I can end up blending it out. And here I am blending it out. Next, I take some pink and purple eyeshadow and add it to my brow bone right above my eyelid. I ended up drawing 2 more stars under my eyes because I wanted more, so here's me doing the same thing that I did with the big stars. Next I put some glitter on, and I love glitter. I put it in every makeup look. I did my contour in pink eyeshadow because I love doing the classic goth contour, but with color, and I think it adds a lot to this look. Next, I did my nose blush with purple eyeshadow because I wanted to complement the other purple eyeshadow I had on my eye. Then I added glitter to my nose. I didn't have any white mascara, so I just used white liquid eyeliner for my mascara. I did both the top and bottom lashes. Lastly, I added some pearls and lined my lips, and I'm done. This was my space theme makeup tutorial, and I hope you enjoyed.